No.
Heck no, we ain't playing this.
That's cute.
Are you playing in the water?
He does like water though. Whenever we take him to the pool, it's a blast.
You playing in the water? Oh my goodness. Don't drink it.
He's soaked now. He is soaked.
Oh
You
my
should have brought another
gosh.
shirt.
He can't get enough of this.
It's alright. He'll be fine in this diaper.
Oh yeah, he'll be alright.
Oh my god. Are you proud of yourself? I'm recording it, so this is gonna be funny.
This is awesome. I love you, buddy.
Hey! Look at you. You are proud, aren't you? Oh, it's all over your face. Oh! Oh, look at how...
I love you, buddy. I do.
He
I
loves
love
the
you.
pool, they say.
Oh, I bet.
They got like a little wading pool at their apartment and stuff.
What's he saying?